Hello friends, today we will be discussing some multiple choice questions on quantum mechanics, and the topic for today's discussion is black body radiation. Before solving these questions, it is strongly recommended that you should listen to the video lecture on black body radiation, and I am providing the link in the description box for your reference. So this is the first question in front of you. A black body is an idealized object that absorbs all incident radiation and reflects none. B. Reflects all incident radiation and absorbs none. C. Absorbs and emits radiation at all wavelengths. And D is reflects and emits radiation at all wavelengths. At this point, I would like to suggest you that before listening to the or looking into the answer, please pause the video and try to solve this question by yourself. Once you are done with your answer, then you can verify that with the answer. The correct option for this question is C, that is, a black body is a body which absorbs and emits radiation at all wavelengths, because this is a good observer and good emitter. Okay. Now coming to the second question. The Stephen-Boltzmann law describes the relationship between the total power radiated by a black body and its options are temperature, wavelength of maximum intensity, surface area, and the last one is specific heat capacity. According to Stephen's Boltzmann law, if E is the radiant heat energy emitted and T is the absolute temperature, that is in Kelvin, then the relation is given as E is equals to sigma T to the power 4. That means this is a relationship between the energy or power radiated by the black body and the temperature. Sigma is a constant over here. Okay, this is the Stephen Boltzmann constant. So the correct option is temperature. Now coming to the third question. The energy density of black body radiation is directly proportional to the cube of temperature, square of temperature, square root of temperature, and fourth power of temperature. So just now we saw in the previous question that E is equals to sigma T to the power 4. That means energy density is directly proportional to fourth power of temperature, right? So this option D is our correct answer. Coming to question 4, according to Wien's displacement law, the wavelength of maximum intensity emitted by a black body is inversely proportional to its temperature, surface area, density, and volume. Okay. So according to Wien's displacement law, lambda mt is equals to a constant. Here this is a constant. Okay. Lambda m is the wavelength of maximum intensity and T is the corresponding temperature. Okay. If I am taking this T to this side, this will be a constant divided by T. So lambda m is equals to a constant divided by T. So this wavelength of maximum intensity is inversely proportional to temperature. So the answer is option A. Now coming to question 5. The Rayleigh's law fails at short wavelengths and high frequencies because it predicts the intensity of black body radiation to be 0, the intensity of black body radiance to be infinite, the intensity of black body radiation to increase linearly with frequency, the intensity of black body radiation to diverge as the frequency approaches infinity. The correct option for this question is option D. Now coming to the next question, that is question 6. At very short wavelengths, according to Rayleigh's law, the intensity of radiation becomes infinite, zero, constant, and negligible. So according to Religion's law, E is equals to 8 pi kt by lambda to the power 4. So here you can see if lambda is very small, then this intensity will become infinite. Okay. Thus option A is the correct option. The next question is question 7. The Religion's law fails to explain the phenomenon known as wave particle duality, photoelectric effect, Compton scattering, ultraviolet catastrophe. So this is our correct option. Thank you all. If you like the content of the video, please press the like button and share the link with your friends. Also do subscribe to my channel, which will keep me motivated. We'll continue our discussion on these questions in the next video. Thank you all.